Hey guys, this is another episode of Deadbolt. I believe it is episode 5. I hope so. It's been a while since I've last recorded. I believe it's been around a week. I've just been messing around, hanging at the hizzy. So, I'm gonna get right into this. If anybody knows how to start recording, oh wait, I think I know. You gotta put a hot button. Alright. Hotkey. This one. Okay. 65. Do we have any souls to buy everything? That'd be cool if you could kill him. Whoa, I'm just realizing at the barrel. I really never focused on the barrels. I just realized how much fire spews out. Don't quote me on that word. Spews. Really not much that we can get. You know what? I want to save it for the scythe. That sounds dope. Scythe. I bet it's cool. I wonder if it's OP at all. The flames roar to life. More and more. So many more. So many corpses who forgot to die. What? Shotgun weapons are strongest near doors. And yeah, that's true. Entryways where enemies can't react until it's too late. Well, I kind of knew that. I've kind of experienced too many shotgun bullets in my head. Oh yeah. Boop. Last episode we beat the zombies, so now we're gonna try and beat the vampires. I think the vampire missions are harder, so we're only gonna be able to do one video per vampire mission. I hope that's okay, guys. Ooh, some toilets. What? Should I just go? Yeah, I'm going in. I'm sorry. I invaded his privacy. That's my bad. Oh, no, I'm good. Man, that's scary. Ooh, there's an axe over here. I like it a lot. They won't even notice. Oh, no, okay. Yeah, I'll see you later, man. I got a sledgehammer. I don't like how it's equipped, though. I'm gonna have to change that. Ooh, alright. I like how those doors automatically open. Come at me. I know you're not supposed to shoot him, whatever. Okay. Ooh, okay. Here, I don't really like the little mountain. Oh, I don't have a knife. Dang it. I need to buy one. Alright, now, yeah, you just gotta go for the headshots. Words of truth. Just go for the, oh, what? No, turn it back off. Just words of truth. Just go for the headshots. No, I'm good. How are we gonna go at this? So there's obviously a door right there. No, I tried to, okay, oh, you know what? Good night. Oh, no! Dang it. That's sad. No. Wait, how do I just get souls? I just completed a acrobat thing. Come on, drop. He didn't. Well, that was weird. Oh, they're on both sides. I don't like that. Oh, no, I shot the ground. Okay. Okay, you can you can tell I'm a noob when I'm shooting ground. It's hard to go up. Oh, that looks dope. That looks dope. I want that. No. That is too close for my likings. Sorry, boss. You're gonna have to go to sleep now. Yeah. Oh no, that was supposed to kill him. What? That's a shotgun? I thought it was a rifle. Well, okay. Oh no, 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 don't go for the door. Ah. Okay, there we go. I got the cover, I got the cover. Got him. Alright. Now I can run with the shotgun, because I have a weird, dope shotgun. Oh, huh. Interesting. Okay, okay, okay. I got this, I got this. No pressure at all. That was great right there. No. I might restart recording. No, I'm just kidding. But I wish. Come at me. Oh wait, you dead. I don't know why I'm trash talking. I'm the one begging for mercy. Okay. The rage is real. Excuse me? Yeah, that's what I thought. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. I'm trying to get them to shoot each other. Is that not an option here? Well, now I'm just playing with them. Oh, I get what you're supposed to do. Huh. You learn something new every day. Can I? What? Alright, maybe him. There we go. Yay. We did basically nothing. I don't know why I'm saying we. You guys are just watching a noob play. You did. Stay away, stay away. I warned you. I warned you. I love shotguns. But sniper rifles are better. That's some words of truth right there. No! It never gets old. You can die now, thank you. Thank you again. Oh, no, 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 no. I hate that. You're dead. Okay. You may say, that's a waste of ammo. Well, screw you. I'm a knob. Alright. Can't this guy go any faster? Jeez. Yeet. Hold on. It's kind of a different story when you're going. Okay. That's really interesting. That's so weird. Okay, whatever. I think it's with different guns. It's different. I mean, that would make sense. Come here, boy. Why you running? Where you running off to? Only 5 more enemies? Oof. Not very many. How are ya? Ah. Oh my gosh. This game's never gonna get any less stressful. And I hate it. You. Wait, hold on. It's probably best to. And it never stops getting great. See, like that. It's, I don't know, it's certain times it's, I don't know, it's weird. Do I have to kill all these dudes? Oh wow. Okay, maybe I really don't care because that's just, oh my gosh. No, no, no. Bad. Bad. What if they just started murdering me all of a sudden? Do I actually have to kill any of those guys? Is there like any, like, is there a point to do that? I don't know. Well, I mean, it's not fun, I guess, in a non-psycho way. Come on. Jeez. Oh, you actually had to do that? Dude, that's just messed up. You're just killing some people just partying, man. It's cold. Oh, wow. This sledgehammer ought to be, like, snapped in half by now. By all the enemies' skulls. 5 minutes. Alright, we can do another one. It only took 5 minutes. 5 deaths, 33 kills. That's pretty bad. Alright. Oh, what? No, I didn't mean to click that. Alright. The flames roar to life. The vampires reform. A lunge, not too far. Discover their aim. And bring them a storm. A storm of death. I wish that was written there. This lunge contains a safe. Maybe I can understand why these clubs have been suddenly appearing. Ooh. Some vampires have their souls outside of their body, stored in whatevers. They must be destroyed to kill the vampire. Magical charms. The vampire prefers bottles. They will grow noticeably blue. Okay, so we're looking for blue bottles to kill some of the vampires. Ooh, random like bald demon. Why does that remind me of like the? Oh wait, hold on. Drinks at my place. More like death at your place. That was really bad. I know. Don't be mean. I think if I shoot that, he'll die. He looks like a mean boy. Wait. Can I? Oh. I was clicking the wrong button. I shot it and he did not die, okay? What? That makes no sense. Why is this shotgun so long range? Do I just shoot him? Oh, no. He's on his knees. Why is he on his knees? I think you have to shoot that. No, leave me alone. Yeet! Haha! Got him. Leave me alone. No! How am I still alive right now? I'm confused. What? Did I just find out a glitch? I don't know how I'm alive. Do they have unlimited ammo? Why do they have unlimited ammo? This makes no sense. Oh, why? Goodbye, cruel world. Wait. Cruel world. And why are my dogs barking? Shut up. I'm sorry. Okay, you know what? One last try, and then I'm ending the video with my stupid doggos. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You'll never find me. Help me. No. He's mean. He likes touching me in the wrong spot. And I missed. Wait, where'd I go? Oh, that's kind of cool. No, don't touch me in the no spot. I don't like it. You'll never catch me. Okay, now that's just rude. Now you're just... Why? Run as fast as you can. I'm gonna die in a second. No. Shotgun right back at you. Oh, we killed each other. So ridiculous. Yeet. Oh, no. Run. Come on. You did. Why? I'm getting too old for this job. Oh, no. Why? No. Wow, there's too many peeps. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh no. Duh. Ah. Shut up, game. Stop being a bully. Nobody likes bully. Nobody. No, nobody likes bullies, right? So you are game, a bully. Come at me, come at me, come at me. You did. No, 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 no. There you go. There we go. There we go. Wait, what? Oh, duh. No, 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 no. That is not fair. That is not fair. I don't like you. You did. Give me more ammo. I want it. All to myself. Why is this shotgun so far long range? It makes no sense whatsoever. I pretty lady. You did. Wow, that was quite rude. Ammo. Screw off. Oh wow, another person on the toilet. Sorry to interrupt you, but you're dead. Oh my, now I have too much ammo. Before I didn't have enough, now I have too much. Gotcha. Run away. And then gotcha. Find information. Well, I would suspect that the information would be in the safe. I mean, that's where I would hide it. I would hope they would hide it in there. Unless it's a decoy. You look inside, there's a much, envelope, money, address, month of date. There we go. Let's go. End the video real quick because it's getting too long. Alright, what do you guys think? I'm gonna have 3-star? I think I'm gonna have 3-star. Maybe 3-star? 3-star? Yeah. I know the way. That's how I know how many I have. Alright, well guys, that's gonna have to do it for this video. Episode 5. Stay tuned for episode 6. And I'll see you guys later.